This is a 1-minute guide to finishing your KYC on the Shipfinex platform.
Step 1.
Only a chosen few can be ship owners, and we hand-pick them. Here, you need to confirm the email that you're pre-registered with so we can confirm your identity.
Step 2. Once your email is confirmed, we will automatically take you to sign up. Here, you can create your account with the Shipfinex platform using a strong password.
Step 3. Once you enter the Shipfinex platform, you will see the KYC verification option at the top. This is your chance to complete the KYC to become eligible for owning your first ship. Before you start KYC, make sure to keep your government ID and address proof handy. Please ensure that the address proof is not more than 3 months old.
Step 3.1.
Once you start the KYC process, we will confirm your phone number, verify your government ID, and confirm a liveness check using your selfie camera. If you are on a laptop or personal computer, you will see a QR code to shift to your mobile phone.
Step 3.2. At the end, you need to upload your address proof to submit your KYC. Remember, this address proof cannot be more than 3 months old.
Once your KYC is submitted, we will check all the details and confirm KYC in under 24 hours.
Congratulations, you would then be eligible to own your first ship.